You ever crave ribs so tender they slide right off the bone and leave your fingers sticky with sweet heat? Today I'm making sweet and spicy hot honey ribs, oven baked, glossy, and guaranteed to get you messy in the best way. First things first, let's prep the ribs. I take a sharp knife, run it under the silver skin on the back and peel it right off. That step alone makes a world of difference. No one wants chewy skin holding back juicy ribs. Once that's gone, I pat the ribs completely dry so the rub sticks perfectly. Now for the rub. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, cayenne, salt, and black pepper. Mix it up and rub it all over the ribs, top, bottom, sides, like you're giving them a full body massage. Cover the ribs with foil and bake low and slow at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. While the oven does the work, let's make the hot honey glaze. Melt butter, stir in honey, hot sauce, and here's my pro tip. Add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. That little secret gives you backyard barbecue flavor straight from the oven. And chili flakes until it looks shiny and a little dangerous. When the ribs are tender, peel back the foil, brush on that glaze, and crank the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where it gets sticky and caramelized. Baste them again, and if you want that extra drama, hit broil for 2 minutes, but don't walk away unless you enjoy fire alarms. Now here's how I plated mine. I kept the racks whole, placed them on a serving platter, brushed on one last coat of glaze, and sprinkled fresh parsley right over the top. Simple, bold, and ready for everyone to dive in. Mini soul snack. Just like these ribs, life takes time to get tender. Patience and a little heat bring out the best in you. For the full written recipe with exact measurements and tips, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Sweet and spicy hot honey ribs. They're messy, they're glossy, and they're worth every bite.